Well, what do you do when you get COVID and you're isolated for 5 days and kind of contained to a space? Well, you make the best use of the time. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I thought one thing that would be pretty neat would be to go through, some of my old challenge videos, kind of comment on some of them. Um, Maybe discuss some of the things I cut out or things that, happened that I took out or filtered out. Because in the challenge run, it was pretty intense. Like, it was really difficult. Um, it was something I just knew I had to do in terms of the entertainment side. People, for some reason, find challenges fun. I mean, because you don't see it very often. And what I found out is that it was hard. And so at some point, I knew, I had to kind of back down just because it was suffering every week. And I went from 2 challenges a week to 1 challenge a week. But the goal was always to come out with, say, a nutrition series or my, let's say, approach to help people that are looking to get healthier and change their lifestyle. So I think I was able to accomplish that with all these series I'm doing. So this is kind of just a little bonus, something extra that I'd like to go through and just kind of talk about and comment some of the different things that happened along the way, ways I got better in content, what I learned about content. So I got a number of these challenges to go through. So if you want to check them out, they're going to be about 5 minutes a piece, just little fun facts. If you're ever looking to do challenges or take on content, there's going to be a lot of interesting, say, wisdom or different things of advice I have, just because this was something I was not prepared for. It was something I had no idea about. And I took on, say, this skill is what it became, and like poured thousands of hours into it to make all this stuff. So it's been very interesting. But what I'm going to do here for the first video before we get started is just kind of discuss, what I could have done better. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do here for the next, I guess, 5 days. And if you watch the Q Form 22 series, then you'll know, I was slimming down. So therefore, appetite's a little bit higher. You can eat a little bit more when you're in a deficit. I'm going to cut it there for now. Catch you tomorrow to see what I thought about this very first food challenge, which was me taking on a custom gauntlet. It was something that I kind of made up, but I was in a calorie deficit for a number of days. And we'll see you tomorrow for my thoughts on this video.